weird. What's that? Latte?
I want it sweet. There's nothing left.
Every type of gum. Except for weird gum. I like a flavor that lasts 5 seconds. Since we got a candle, it'll last us 2 days.
Are you done or? Yeah, on the spot. Alright, so I'm gonna get this one. Can you hold that? And I think I want to get this one. I don't know. Okay, I have those two, and then what do you say? Oh, the stress relief one. This one is like very minty, but this one is like so clean and fresh. I don't know. I really like that one. What do you think?
They're all good.
Huh?
I think they're all good.
The camera's right here.
I know where it is. Let's throw the scent cards.
Is that the white?
Yeah.
This one's white.
Made it now.
Okay, 2135. Is that debit?
I
Credit?
can use credit card with that, or I need it with cash?
Yeah, you can use your credit card with it.
Hey, it's me. Okay, so first things first. Get this shit out of the way. That's first. Okay, so candles. I went to Bath and Body Works on Candle Day, December 4th, and their candles were $8.95. And then I had coupons, and it was crazy. So I stocked up then, and then I also bought stuff online because just in case like the certain candles were sold out in the stores, I wanted to have that backup just in case. So I have a total of 10. I have 10 candles that are not burned yet. I also got this from the sale. This is Marshmallow Fireside, and upstairs I have a soft pink petal tea cake. Yeah. I also got some lotions. They had the $1.75 sale today. I think I said that around 3 times already. And then I got a coupon for a free fuzzy ball. I think that's what it's called. All right, so we're just gonna get started. I'm not an expert on like describing scents to you, so I'm gonna try my best. And I'm also starting to maybe feel this a little bit. I'm drinking Moscato. If you saw my other video, then you'll know. My cat's staring at me right now. All right, so we're gonna start with this one, Marshmallow Fireside. I'll read the description on the bottom for you. It is made with notes of toasted vanilla and cedarwood essential oil. So Marshmallow Fireside. Yo, this candle really doesn't like me. Oh my god. All right, we're not gonna put our nose up to it, but this candle is so freaking good. It definitely like reminds me of being in a cabin in the mountains with the fireplace going and like some toasted marshmallows. It's just so good. It's kind of more on the masculine side, but it's not cologne-y. It doesn't smell like cologne. It's very like woodsy, not mahogany type of woodsy, but like, oh my gosh, it's so freaking good. That's all I'm going to tell you about that because I'm scared to put my nose up against it. Next candle we got is Abigail. Can you get away from the blinds? Abby, there's nothing to see outside, ma'am. Champagne toast, which is bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. I hear good things about this candle, and also I saw in one of Remy's vlogs, she loves this candle. So I thought I would buy it and see how it burned. I haven't burned any of these other candles. Excuse me. What? That was the first good burp. I haven't burned any of these other candles, so I'm just gonna go based off of like cold throw. Oh my god, this smells so good. It reminds me of, I don't know about, does it remind me of another candle? I think it's a perfume. Or like a body mist. I don't know, but it's like very berry and girly. Oh, it's so good though. It really does smell like a bubbly berry drink, like beverage. I smell the tangerine like a little bit, but it's definitely berry that's like front and center. It smells so freaking good. And it's not overpowering either. It's like perfect. But yeah, definitely just smells like a nice fruity cocktail. Something's gonna come to mind because it reminds me of something. I just can't think of it right now. So there's that, champagne toast. Next we have, nailed it, and that is mahogany coconut. So it's creamy coconut, mahogany woods, and English lavender. Oh my fucking gosh. I love mahogany. Like all of the candles that Bath & Body Works has that has mahogany in it is so good. And honestly, this smells like my cousin's house in New York. Like it just takes me back to summer 2017 and 16. Abby, get the fuck off. Smells so good. So it's more on like the masculine side because of the mahogany. You can definitely smell the coconut though. Damn, I'm so bad at describing scents to you. Okay, it's definitely like a good coconut scent. Kind of reminds me of like a toasted coconut. Like toasted coconut and mahogany. It's like a nighttime fireplace sensual kind of scent. I suck. Next, I didn't pick this out, babe picked it out, and it is Cozy Warm Cup of Cocoa. So it says milk chocolate, steamed milk, and nutmeg essential oil. You know what? I wonder if there's actual milk in here. Like, does that sound stupid? Is it like vanilla? I don't know. I'm not sure. But now that I see that it says milk, like, ugh. It smells really nice though. Like straight up. This one I can describe to you. When you're making hot chocolate on the stove and it's like the milk is like frothing up, you know what I mean? Like the milk's bubbling and then you stir in the Swiss Miss hot chocolate packet and then it's just like very bubbly and toasty. Like that's what this smells like. With the marshmallows on top. Like straight up what it says. Cup of cocoa. Warm cup of cocoa. So good. Maybe with like an extra chocolate bark smell to it. Like like a chocolate bar. Toasty, very warm and cozy. Cozy. Hot cup of chocolate. That's what it is. This damn cat. What are you doing? Next we have, oops, I'm dropping the candles. Next we have one of the popular ones. Oh my God. That I see all over Instagram, that's super popular, and that is Girl Gang. Can anyone guess what this smells like? By looking at the package, and it says pink sugarcane, juicy watermelon, and vanilla. I have to burp. This is bubblegum. Not just any bubblegum though, no. This is bazooka gum. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Like, legit, if bazooka gum was made into a candle, it would be Girl Gang. Like, straight bubblegum. Oh my gosh, crazy. Like, how do they do it, you know? How do they do it? It smells so good, though. Get out of the frame, Abigail. Next, we have another popular one that I ordered online because I was afraid they would sell out in the stores. And lo and behold, when I went on Candle Day, they didn't have it. And they didn't have it tonight either when I got the lotions. And that is Frozen Lake. Such a cute packaging. It's like their campfire brand or their camp winter like collection. So the description is made with juniper berry, eucalyptus, and lavender essential oils. That smells good. Straight up eucalyptus right off the bat. Juniper, I forgot what that smells like. I did smell it in the store tonight, but I could smell the juniper, but I can't describe the scent to you. But it's definitely minty. I can smell the lavender a little bit, like the freshness and calmingness of lavender. Yeah, I could definitely smell it. Clean, fresh out of the shower scent, like the kind that you want to light when you're getting ready for bed or like you're studying for a test. It calms you down. It's like eucalyptus spearmint, but not nearly as overpowering, and it's got that floral scent to it from the lavender. Super good. I could see why it's a bestseller, or one of the bestsellers. Next, we have one of my all-time favorite candles. It's just repackaged, and this packaging looks beautiful. And that is cinnamon spiced vanilla. I'm pretty sure it's repackaged cinnamon sugar donut. It says fresh ground cinnamon, sugar crystals, Tahitian vanilla bean. Literally cinnamon sugar donuts, like bakery, cinnamon like powdery, I don't like glazed donuts, you know what I mean? Like if you know what cinnamon sugar donut the candle smells like, this is exactly what it is. Just think of like cinnamon with a glazed donut mixed together, and like that sugary taste, like all of that combined. God, it smells so good. I picked this out for sure. Like, it's so good. And the packaging, like, I'm gonna figure out how to, once the candle is almost done and the wax is almost gone, I'm gonna repurpose this. Next we have, ooh, this is a goodie. Flannel. Love the packaging. Their packaging this year is like super good. I love the winter. I like the winter packaging with the trees, the Christmas tree and the snow on it, and the cute cars with the Christmas tree on the back. So this one says, I feel like I have to sneeze, made with orange peel and patchouli essential oils and notes of soft musk. Now I smelled patchouli in the store because they have like just a patchouli candle, and that smells disgusting. Like, ew, it smelled really bad. I bought this last year and it's just, oh my gosh. Definitely more of like a guy's cologne scent. This is something I would burn like if it snowed in Florida, like on a snowy day. A light flurry, open the windows, and you got some like Sinatra playing in the background. It's just like fresh, wintry guy's cologne. Goodness, that's all I could say about that. So good. Next, I got this one today when I exchanged my candles. Oh my gosh, I feel like I have to burp, but I can't. And that is, I'm not a fan of the packaging just because it's not anybody's birthday. Definitely not my birthday. But, I mean, it's still cute. Maybe I'll put, like, a candle holder around it. And this is just, happy birthday, yay. Happy birth, yay. And it says, juicy citrus, fresh spring water, and sweet mango. Yo. Oh, what does that remind me of? Oh my gosh. This stuff smells so good. I don't know why they're selling it now because it's definitely not a winter scent. Not even a fall scent. Oh my gosh. It reminds me of like the dragon fruit candle they had. Kind of like fruit punchy. It's so fruity, like honestly so fruity. You can smell the freshness because it says fresh spring water, so you can kind of smell like the freshness, and then you have like the fruity, like the citrus and the mango right behind it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's a summery scent for sure. Like, so fruity. Not overpowering though. Like, I feel like this would be a really good burn. I think it would have burned really well. Next, we have, I would say, the most popular scent, at least from what I've seen, all over Instagram. And, oh my god, that was so loud, I'm sorry. And that is from the Home collection. Is it Home or is it like this collection? Soft pink petal tea cake. Yep. It's like this it's the frosted cover, like candle holder, packaging, whatever you want to call it. It's frosted and it's baby pink. I know it looks white on camera, but it's like a very soft, powdery baby pink color. And I also have another one upstairs that I started burning. I burned it in like one of my last videos. So this one is like probably the girliest candle I've ever smelled. Holy shit. And at first, I think I said in another video, like I wasn't too fond of the scent. Because it reminded me of like very powdery, and you do smell that fluffy, buttery cake. And just like girly, like it just screams girly. Like I'm in my silk baby pink bathrobe in the city, like with a flute glass full of bubbly rosy pink champagne, watching Breakfast at Tiffany's, like super girly. But it smells so good though. Like, yes, it smells a little powdery, but not bad. Fluffy cake, like definitely like little cute fluffy tea cakes, like tea party. Rose petals and orange essential oil. Orange? I'm not sure if I smell orange. Maybe a little bit. Maybe kinda with the cake. But that's like an afterthought kind of thing, you know? Like I could see why it's popular. It's definitely a very girly scent. Like And I feel like it might even be like an acquired scent. Like not everybody would like it. As far as burn goes, because like I said, I burned it already. It burns pretty well. It's definitely a strong scent on its own. Like if you just take the lid off and you like give it 15 minutes, you'll smell it around your room. Like it's strong, but it's not like gonna choke you out, overpowering, you know? Excuse me. And then this is another one that I switched out tonight at Bath and Body Works. It's from the aromatherapy line and it's Focus, which my camera's not going to focus on it, but whatevs. So this is eucalyptus oil tea extract, and it says clears the mind and helps you focus. This is so awkward with him right there off to the side, but I'm like feeling tipsy. I just don't freaking care. Okay, I need to push through. Like it's on 25 minutes. So anything eucalyptus is like gonna be like a super fresh, like breath of fresh air type of candle. So this is eucalyptus tea. It smells just like that. I could see myself lighting this at night when I'm trying to like clear my mind and relax. I will definitely use this when I start to meditate because I've been wanting to do that for the longest time. I just haven't gotten around to it. But it's definitely a relaxing candle. It smells like a fresh bar of soap, but not like soapy scent. You know what I mean? Like eucalyptus. Like, you know that York peppermint patty commercial where he said he feels like he's on top of the world and he's like on top of a mountain and it's just like wind blowing at him? Like that's what it feels like when you smell that candle. Like super good. So that's it for the candles. Like I said, I have this one and that one upstairs for a total of 12 candles. So I'll be set for a good while. However, so my annual sale is less than a month away. And you know how we do. So next is lotions. The $1.75 hand creams. So we'll start with these. I got 2 peach Bellinis. That's not the right one. 2 peach Bellini hand creams. Oh my goodness. And very summery. Peach Bellini, that's an alcoholic beverage, so that's kind of what it smells like. Just very fruity. It kind of has that scent, you know, like some lotions, maybe like some lotions on the cheaper side, they kind of have that, you know what I mean, like that fake lotiony scent. Like it kind of smells like that, but I'm not about to test all of these out, but I'll test this one out. Has that initial smell to it, but once you rub it on your skin, it smells a lot better, like peachy and just like a nice cocktail. It's like peach and orange. That's kind of what it reminds me of. Peach and orange mixed together. I should just say citrus because it kind of reminds me excuse me, of like a sugared lemon. Not like lemon, but sugared lemon and peach mixed together. So like peachy citrus is what I'll say. It smells good though. Next, I love the metallic packaging. This one is Congrats, Congrats, Congrats. And the scent is Cool Mint. This one smells good. I like this. I like this one. It reminds me of something. It's got a nice mint smell. Not overpowering though. Kind of smells like there's like a girly perfume in with it. It doesn't really say anything else that's in it besides Cool Mint. But it smells really good. Like once it's mixed in like on your skin. First of all these hand lotions, I think they all have essential oils in it. So They leave your skin very soft. So this one is like subtle mint. Like it has a little bit of mint and like a girly, florally perfume scent. Mild though. It's a light scent. Like this is a light lotion. I like that. So next is this pretty blue. It looks silver, I think, on camera, but it's a pretty blue metallic, and it says, "Oh what fun." Oh what fun. And it is Sunlit Apple Blossom. And I love apple products, like apple lotion and perfumes and body wash. Oh. I feel like I'm swabbing eyeshadows. I'm gonna smell like a prostitute after this. Appley, yes. It reminds me of fall. Like apple picking. Like I pretty much only smell apple. It reminds me of the body wash or the skincare name, Fresh Picked Apples or something like that. They come out with something that's similar to that name, but it smells literally apple, like just apples, fresh picked apples, and not really the artificial apple scent either. It's like a nice Granny Smith Fuji crispy apple. Next, which I got 2 of, and I live by this motto. Hello. It's a nice metallic gold packaging, and it says, "Good vibes only." And the scent is vanilla coconut. This smells awesome. I love coconut scents. Oh my gosh. It reminds me of something I used to have. Very strong coconut scent. It kind of reminds me of like a chapstick that I used to have, like a coconut scented chapstick. Because you have like that vanilla base with the coconut mixed in with it. And it kind of has that artificial coconut scent, but it's still so good. I don't know, I really like it. It's like it's like an artificial coconut scent with a strong vanilla base to it. Very good. Good vibes. I'm also probably gonna save that for the beginning of next year. So next we have, I'll go with this. It has shea butter in it, and it's green tea hand cream. This also smells really good. I'm not gonna put this on. I'm just gonna smell it because it's strong. Yeah, it's just a nice clean hand cream. It kind of has like that eucalyptus, like a mild eucalyptus green tea combo. Next, I got 3 of these because it's one of my all-time favorite scents ever. And that is, oh my God, low battery. All right, 10%. Damn, we about to bustle through this. Cucumber melon. Oh yeah. Ever since like, I was like 9 or 10. Yes. They have a line out, like a body care. They have like the body oil, perfume, lotions, body wash, and it's like a cucumber. Do you remember the name of it that we smelled? And I was like, oh, that's super cucumbery. I don't know, but it had It's like QQ or something. Yeah, like CoQ or QQ or something. There's like 4 different types of scents in this one line of body care. And one of them had cucumber in it. And that was like authentic, like freshly sliced cucumber. And I put some on my body, like some lotion, and it was just like way too much. This one, though, is like that sweet cucumber melon that you would want to smell like. It reminds me of the Dove cucumber melon body wash. And deodorant. It smells so freaking good. So fresh. I'm putting this in my pocketbook immediately because these cold winter months have me looking ashy and dry AF. Next, it's the aromatherapy line as well, and it's the Energy Orange Ginger. I got this because I love like gingery you know, healthy scents, you know what I mean? Like, I know ginger's really good for you, and like smelling it helps you focus. Ginger's also good to smell when you're nauseous. That's a heads up. This lotion might not work 100% of the time if you're feeling nauseous, but it's got a strong ginger scent to it. But it's also sweet, and it's toned down from the orange. You can also smell the orange. It smells like a sugary ginger orange scent. I could definitely like see myself like putting it on, getting a good whiff, and then getting like a spurt of energy. I know that sounds really cliche because it says energy on it, but with the ginger, that's kind of what it does to you. Like, it just gets you in that like good vibe mood. I like it. Next, I got 2 of, and it is pear. It doesn't say there's anything else in it but pear. I love how all of these hand creams say not tested on animals. That's dope. But this is like a very matte packaging, nice coral color. So it's a pear scented one, and it smells so good. So good. On to the next arm. So this smells like green apple, like sour green apple, pear mixed together. Like a green apple Jolly Rancher, but not sickly sweet. Like, it's not something that you would hate to have on your body. It's nice, it's fresh, it's a good summer scent. Like when you're at the beach or at the pool or something like that. Yeah, it smells a lot like green apple and pear mixed together. It smells really good. I just realized I got a lot of summer scents. Damn, winter's not even over yet. That's it for the lotions. And then I got a I got a coupon in the mail for a free Fizzy Ball, which is a bath bomb, which you would put in your bubble bath, and it kind of like fizzes up in the water, and it turns the water a certain color. It doesn't really make bubbles, but I got this. They had a bunch of different scents, but this one smells so good, and it is really cute, fun packaging, and it says love and sunshine. It's just a very like happy scent, like fruity. I don't think it even says like what the scent is. I know the name is Love and Sunshine, but there's no like description on it. It's like a girly, happy, it just like brightens your mood, like the scent. Like you're in a field of daisies. Honestly, I can't smell it because all I smell is the stuff on my hands. It's a mild scent, but it's a very bright and girly scent. My God, I suck at these kind of videos. Remind me to never do them again. But, you know, with a little wine in ya, anything's possible. And then I had to get at least $30 worth of product to get my $10 off, and I was like at 24, so I bought this. It's a travel size Vanilla Bean Noel. Vanilla Bean Noel is such a freaking good scent. I love warm vanilla sugar, but this is like a sweet vanilla mixed with your body scent, like your natural body scent. Like, it's just, oh my God, like, be careful, like your boyfriend or girlfriend doesn't like eat you up, like you a whole snack. It's like a vanilla cupcake, like that's what it is. It's like you smell like a vanilla cupcake. Oh my God, it smells so freaking good. Like, get you some Vanilla Bean Noel. It's one of the most popular scents they have this time of year. Oh, I'm putting that right in my pocketbook. All right, that's it. That's all I got for my Bath & Body Works Candle Day sale, lotion sale. I am nearly done with this. I have about this much left, so I'm probably just gonna finish that, hang out. That's it. My battery's gonna die, so it's now 11:13. I'm just gonna get off of here, start editing this video, and hang out with my booski. And say hi. And my baby girl. Abby, can you say hi? She's taking a bath right now. So I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed these couple of videos. Tipsy mukbang / haul video. Let me know if you like them. Comment down below. Tell me your thoughts. What type of videos you want to see. And I will see you very soon. Have a great day or night wherever you are in this lovely world. And I will see you soon. Bye. Bye, guys.